Alliance Gator. Gator Max G2 rapid set technology made with a state-of-the-art manufacturing process. Specifically, calibrated sand mixed with sophisticated intelligent polymers. This new generation of intelligent polymers neutralizes haze and dust. No blower is needed. The intelligent polymeric sand requires only one watering and rains safe after 15 minutes. Ideal for concrete pavers, wet cast products, and natural stone with joints up to 4 inches. It can also be used on false joint pavers, ideal for residential and commercial application, also Gator base applications. Gator Max G2 rapid set technology, the cleanest, fastest, and easiest polymeric sand installed in the industry. Gator Max G2 offers the trendiest natural colors that last and will enhance the pavers of today. Gator Max. They are beige, slate gray, ivory, and black diamond. Gator Max G2 rapid set technology can be used in multiple application types, such as overlays and non-overlays. In this scenario, we show both applications using the G2, a non-drainage concrete slab and drainage applications. Overlay Type 1. Over a concrete base, pavers will be laid on a bedding sand. Overlay Type 2. Over a concrete base, pavers will be laid over bedding sand and compacted crushed stone base. Finally, the paver joints will be filled with Gator Max G2. G2 rapid set technology works when you work. In overlay applications, G2 polymeric sand sets are above 32 degrees Fahrenheit, 0 Celsius, and no rain in the forecast within the next 24 hours after water activation. For drainage application, the paver's joint will be filled with Gator Max G2. G2 rapid set technology works when you work. For drainage application, set above 32 degrees Fahrenheit, 0 Celsius, and rain safe after 15 minutes of water activation. Gator Max G2, simplified 4 easy steps installation. Step 1. Spread G2 with a hard bristle broom. Make sure the G2 completely fills the joints. Leave a layer of G2 on the surface to aid in the vibrating and consolidation of G2 into joints. Step 2. Vibrate the G2 into the paver joints using a vibratory plate compactor. A protective pad is recommended. Compact in several directions to ensure that there are no air gaps or voids in the joints. Repeat steps 1 and 2 to ensure joints are filled and consolidated. Step 3. Sweep off excess G2 from the paved surface, first with a hard bristled broom, then a soft bristled broom. Take care to leave the height of the polymeric sand at least 1/8 of an inch below the edge or chamfer of the paver. Step 4. Use a watering gun connected to a garden hose. Set to shower. Activate the G2 by showering a 30 square foot section for 30 seconds, starting at the lowest point. Gator Max G2 rapid set technology, the cleanest, fastest, and easiest polymeric sand installed in the industry. Along with no dust, haze-free, no blower, 1 watering, and rain safe after 15 minutes. Alliance is the only manufacturer offering a 15-year limited warranty on all their G2 Sands rapid set technology. Visit us at alliancegator.com.